Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. Use a span to target inline elements. You can use spans to create inline elements. Remember, when we used the button block btn block class to make the button fill the entire row, means normal button is like this, and in case of button block class we have the button for the entire row. That illustrates the difference between inline element in this case and a block element in this case. By using the inline span element, you can put several elements on the same line and even styles different part of the same line differently. Using a span element, nest the word love inside the p element that currently has the text things cat love. Then give that span the class text danger to make the text red. Here is how you would do this for the p element that has the text top 3 things cats hate. In this we use a span with class text danger for the hate word. We can do something similar for this paragraph for things cats love. In this case we will use a span with class equal to text danger, and we will close it here for a span. We can see this is in red color now. Let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.